Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Pythonji. Today we are going to learn how to draw Indian flag using Python turtle graphics. So, without wasting our time, let's start. First, go to search bar and search for IDLE. You can see IDLE Python 3.11 64-bit. Open this. Then you can see IDLE shell 3.11.0. Then go to file and select new file or press Ctrl+N to open a new file. Now you can see an untitled page here. Write your code here to draw Indian flag. First, we will start by importing the turtle module, setting up the screen. Then we will create a new turtle object and define a function to draw a rectangle. We will use this function to draw three bands of the flag: saffron, white and green. Next, we will draw the blue chakra in center of the flag. I will show you the complete code and explain each line in detail. So this is our code, as you can see. We will draw orange rectangle. Then moving turtle to the starting position for the green rectangle. Also, we will draw green rectangle writing this code. Then we will draw big blue circle. Then we draw a big white circle writing the code. This is the code to draw big white circle. Then we draw mini blue circles. We will use the turtle module to create the flag and the draw rectangle function to draw the bands. Last, we draw the spokes writing the code this. Then we close the turtle window. Writing title done, parenthesis close. Once we have the code, we will run it and see the Indian flag come to life on the screen. Go to File and go to Save, or you can simply press Ctrl+S. Save this file. Without saving the file, you can't run a code. Then go to Run module or press F5 to run the code. Now you can see Python Turtle graphics is open and you can see Indian flag. I will show you how to adjust the speed and other settings to get the desired output. If you have any questions or help with the code, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw Indian flag using Turtle Python graphics. Thank you.